Hey everyone, Help Online here. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the clone tool. All right, so the clone tool is actually exactly what it sounds like. It's a clone tool to clone an object or person or something in your picture that you currently have. All right, so to find the clone tool, go to the left toolbar here and go all the way down until you see this clone stamp tool. Once you have that open, you can change the size here. So depending on your situation, we're going to be cloning her eyes, so I kind of want to stay at 150 pixels. Go ahead and zoom in. And then you can see there's a circle around the like her eyes. That's what you're going to be cloning. You want to hold Alt. You'll see a little target pop up. This is basically what you're going to be cloning. So you want to click in the middle of the eye, left click, and now you can see we can clone that eyeball pretty much anywhere. And there you go. And the reason it's not showing up very dark is you can actually move the opacity. We'll do that at 100% and continue here. And you can see this works very, very well. If you zoom in, I mean, it just blends in very nicely. And now you have a third eye. Same thing works with objects in the back. So let's say there was a tree branch here. Alt, hold, and now I can kind of clone this in. Obviously, it's not going to be as good, so you have to do some work to this and then kind of just mess with it until it looks a little bit better. But yeah, that's how you use the clone tool. Hope this video helps out. You can use this for many, many different things. For, let's say there's an imperfection, you can just clone that and then clone her skin tone. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope this video helped out and you learned how to use the clone tool and what the clone tool does. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And please make sure you like and subscribe if this video helped out. Thanks for watching.